Did you know that Aurora College accepts payments through most major banks? You can make payments towards your tuition, rent, and other student fees online or through telephone banking in just 3 easy steps. Today, I'll be demonstrating how with CIBC's mobile banking app. But even if you bank with another institution, you'll find the process very similar. Your first step is to add Aurora College as a bill. Once you've logged into online banking, you should be able to access a menu that gives you different banking options. You can see what mine looks like here on the right. From this menu, select the Bill Payments option. Next, add Aurora College as a new payee. I can see at the bottom of my app I have an Add Payee button, so I'm going to hit that. I'm going to enter in Aurora College in this search bar to see if I can find Aurora College as a bill option. And I'll hit search. Aurora College appears as a payee, so I'm going to select that. This brings us to step 2, entering in your account number. Your account number is just your student ID number. Now this number has to be 9 digits long for the bank to recognize it, so you'll need to add 4 to 5 zeros in front of your number. So for example, in the account number field, I'm going to enter in some zeros, followed by my student ID number. Make sure you double check this account number to be sure it's correct. Once you're sure that it is, just hit the OK button. And as you can see, Aurora College with my account number is now listed as a payee. That brings us to the third and final step, which is just make a payment. Now that I have my Aurora College student account as a payee in online banking, I can make payments directly from my bank account. To do this, I just go back to my options menu and select Bill Payment. I can now select Aurora College as a payee, and I can pay any amount that I like from any account that I choose. It's important to note that every time you make a payment, your bank should provide you with a reference number. Always keep this reference number in case you need to follow up on this payment. Remember, you can contact your bank at their toll-free number if you need more assistance with online or telephone banking. You can find this number on the back of most bank cards. If you need assistance with planning your budget, contact Aurora College Student Services. Or you can visit the Student Toolkit on our Aurora College website for tools to help you with your student budget.